Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your LG Q70. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside let's actually try to find out the game. As you can see, there's no results that we're looking for, so let's go back, click on the profile picture, head on to the settings and enter family. Now select parental controls and either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games, then your PIN code, increase PG to the 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back and look for the game again, it should be on top right here, available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.